Just throw salt in the orange peel, and you will thank me I stopped spending money. I'll start by adding a liter of water to a pot. Then I will add some orange peels to the pan. Done this, I will add 2 tablespoons of salt. And I will stir a little. Finally, I will put a tablespoon of baking soda. And then I will stir everything very well. It's amazing the versatility of this tip. It is perfect for all types of cleaning. Then I'll let it boil a little until the water changes color so we'll know it's ready. Once this is done, I will pass the mixture through a sieve to remove the peels. We're just gonna need the net for our tip. Then I will add 150 milliliters of vinegar. And then I will stir. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sansan Lim from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Finally, I will also add 150 milliliters of detergent. And then I will stir one last time. This ingredient is crucial for the effectiveness of the recipe. Once this is done, I will transfer this mixture to a bottle. I will use a funnel for it, so avoid waste. If you prefer, can use a spray bottle. This will facilitate the application of the product and control the use. This way will yield much more. I never again had to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold in the markets. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Even I was surprised at the effectiveness of the product when I first made it. Now our tip is ready for use. This mixture is excellent for cleaning any part and surface of your home. In addition to having a strong decreasing effect, salt and baking soda have a strong antibacterial effect, being a great alternative to clean the bathroom in your home. Orange helps in removing fat, which makes this mixture perfect for cleaning your kitchen, especially your oven and stove. And the secret of this tip is in the shine that vinegar brings to the surfaces. Great to clean the floor of your home, and also the citrus aroma that the orange brings in the mixture, leaving a great smell as soon as used, just with a sponge. Without much effort, I can completely remove any dirt or even stains. I'm sure your friends will start to ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so clean and fragrant? I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.